Hello everyone, welcome to another video. So today we're gonna do 3 real questions from the SAT exam that I got from the Blue Book, the official app of College Board, that use the Pythagorean Theorem, the last topic that we learned in the past video. So let's get started with the question number 1. A square is described in a circle. The radius of the circle is 20 multiplied by 2 square root all divided by 2 inches. What is the side length in inches of the squared? So we get here a squared inscribed in a circle, and according to the second Euclidean postulates, a straight line segment can be drawn joining any 2 points. It means that you can always connect 2 points with exactly one straight line. So we're gonna do trace a diagonal here, and we can realize that the diagonal of the square is exactly 2 times the radius of the circle. So the radius is 20 multiplied by 2 square root divided by 2. It's gonna be cancelled out, and the diagonal of the squared is 20 multiplied by 2 square root. So it's the squared, and all the side has the same length, so x and x, and we get the Pythagorean theorem again. So 20 multiplied by square root 2 all squared is equal to x squared plus x squared. So it's gonna be 400 multiplied by 2, or 800, is equal to 2x squared. It's gonna be, we can divide both sides by 2, and we get x is equal to 14. X squared is equal to 14, and x is equal to 20. So the side length of the square in inches is 20. Let's do the second question. A right triangle has legs with lengths of 24 centimeters and 21 centimeters. If the length of his triangle's hypotenuse in centimeters can be written in the form 3 multiplied by d square root, where d is an integer. What is the value of d? So the legs with lengths of 24 and 21, the hypotenuse can be written 3 multiplied by d square root. So we get again the Pythagorean theorem. So it's only do the calculates here. 3 multiplied by d square root all squared is equal to 24 squared plus 21 squared. 9d is equal to, remember, you can, in the SAT exam, you can use the calculator and the whole math section. So you can do this on calculator. It's gonna be 576 plus 441. 9d is gonna be equal to 1017. We can divide both sides by 9, and we get d is equal to 130. Let's then the question number 3. The perimeter of the equilateral triangles is 624 centimeters. The height of this triangle is k multiplied by 3 square root centimeters, where k is a constant. What is the value of k? So an equilateral triangle, it means that all the 3 sides of the triangle is equal. So 624 divided by 3, it's going to be 208. All the sides are equal are 208. The height of this triangle is key multiplied by 3 square root. So we're gonna do here, the height of the triangle is key multiplied by 3 square root, and we get again the Pythagorean theorem. Remember that each side of this, it's gonna be 104. That is the half of 208. So 208 squared has to be equal 104 squared plus key square root 3 squared. So you can use the calculator on the SAT. So it's gonna be a hard calculus here. So it's gonna be minus 10 is equal to, it's gonna be key squared, like gonna be 10, 18, 60. This is already divided by two sides, like 3. It's gonna be cancelled out and we get this value, key squared. So the radius of this is gonna be 104. So here is 3 real questions from the SAT that we can use the Pythagorean theorem. So if you like this video, please subscribe and see you soon.